reaction out of the 4 days, 11 hours she's still going to win?
It depends. Bro, Ghana has already won. Look at the support. It's really about daring. It's really about trying. You know, I'm one person who believes in not fearing failure, because for somebody to try and even fail, that person is more worthy than someone who hasn't tried anything at all. So to attempt 4 good days, Ghana has won already, and she's here. She's continuing to do it. She could probably go 5-6 days, because I am also aware that somebody somewhere in another country is also doing the same. I think the lesson in this for me that I can share to everybody is perseverance. It's actually resilience. It's actually just daring, you know, and putting something in front of your eye, believing in God and believing in yourself. And push, because honestly, like the other day, I just did the stadium. When I announced it, it was impossible. The backlashes, the naysayers, etc. I followed her interview right from scratch, because she's actually a good friend to my wife. So behind the scenes, I followed her interviews right from the beginning, and she didn't get any forward. You can strip the interview, you will see everybody be like, why does she not stop? What at all? Does she not work to different media practitioners and industry people? Didn't come 100. But when she started and she was moving, the support is coming. That tells you that if it was left to people or industry alone, you can't do anything. So we should all learn from people like this who dare to do stuff.
What's in
Ebusian for Masanso Abba BM, welcome to Nsemo Ghana. Your friend Hawa Karim, someone say, made a media kunja naturally. Of course, update back to back, and I made a baby Museni and Denzo. So, Majima Kunja, me babe mamo, a little update on the ongoing Singathon. Say, Mamma, you lie no. Singathon, I am so enjoy. Can you the bem mamo say, be hitting back to back. So, yes, the latest and the good news right now is that, yay, Asantewaa has been able to sing for 105 hours. I was singing for a whole 105 hours. The same hours are Indian guy and also a singer. So which means or more the same level. So she has not broken the record yet. She's supposed to set her own record. So and they were 105 now. Not just say or no I pay. And we don't even know there are a lot of technicalities are involved. Or more the deductive delay and some of the deductive breaks and so many things are the hours no ebe reducing. I'm sure now one reach the Indian guy in the record. No? So it's very advisable say obey more days or more hours. Now wait to me akavana and no nankofu so far there a lot of people are happy because yenim says at least only Indian guy know the same year. We are very happy. Into further ones no ben we GDA says she will be able to do it. But the fear is that Nkofo says she's exhausted because it's not easy to sing for 4 good days straight. As you see a year fifth day what I say it's not easy. So people are really scared for her. Say, hey, you right, this are 2 days and I say 1 day and now whatever hours now I can. Ebi must 11 hours. Ebi say so yeah extra days. Ebi say so end the Friday or Saturday. Just say, some day someone on social media obia then the marks are bet what they so yeah I'll qualify. Intini now dear. Obviously in the team no any dear man so they are working on it and anything are still on end day and now ogusu air tune. So the good news is the fact that she still has the Vima or the air call. Na enijia sem kese woman says Stonebwoy and so edinity akupie Singathon ase. Oh, well, like a great news because Stonebwoy we saying so in the concert we and obi anim say wa break because it's not in any easy the energy now or portray and a lot of rounds ye ko high ba high say no is very tiring into I definitely say onu do we no be relax kakra now make it time to come. But a lot of people I think say won't mean ba because now the day is almost ending and also so nyam PM. But the good is the good news is Sisia ordinity aba be PM obia enya pana onu oba ye no vema ye hu wo Asantewaa mu ne chere challenge she can do it aside Stonebwoy so no Samino so diniti abepie mu a onu so re mu achese o man fans wo che na enya asem ketwa ele eyi Asantewaa ni agye a auto Linda gidigidi chese it was here for floor high butu chese ono yesu ama no ono energy bi a wenye odesta no is so amazing. So to watch her say no, she's not giving up, she's still doing what she's doing to be able to break that record. No, ama Ghanaians a lot of hope. You will hope e will GDS sa India for any day eye den you be break home record. No, they should go and come back again. This time we are not playing with them. We are playing what you see. It's in Nsem Ghana. This is what is trending, and I'm saying they will be tuja. I'll definitely bring you update as to when our obe end, because right now we don't know when our obe end. A lot of people were obviously assuming the 24th to 27th plus extra 9 hours, and our killing now. So extra hours now, or ya can't we can't tell if she's supposed to end. 12 o'clock midnight we are banner and I say Saturday. We don't know how long she's going, and then the team no and on be discussing. But a lady out very popular on social media, Kubra Diamonds, Ababonte, I think she's part of the team. Ababonte have some post to be say because of the deductions any delay and be a baby she's supposed to sing to probably Saturday. And I could be was say when we say delay and but Saturday is too long and I say it's too far. Obetimi survive. I can't extra 11 hours until then now till Saturday. Why are they dragging her like that and so many things? And Ochim will say if we really want her to break the record, the Ehiane say the support everybody together. What you saying about on so that she get that women do, because the truth is Onaka so I won't say why very as a why down because we bread, but then squad ni na all the fans be jini hona ye did near man fans and I say a man some sort of energy, but then she'll be able to do it. So if we really want her to break the record, that is what we are supposed to do. We all have to come out in our numbers. Now you call Akwaba village or yen supporting or yen manu morana uhiano so that she'll be able to fight it. According to Kuba Diamonds there and Sha hopefully Saturday and obe end. We don't know about that yet. Into no any updates be a few horns but the good news is that still the support out there is crazy, and big ups going out to Gino. Amongst some the fly about on say they will be providing free food will program now say into wow unko say oto nyoma energy bedrenu nya bibi ndi na I go there free food day Akwaba village into mo honey nana mojen say you not get anything to eat, please pass through and support Akwaba because there's a lot of food, free drinks, free water, just say and free nyaman de baby. Free husbands, so being meeting celebrities free without buying any tickets. What opportunities there are, lots of it. So yes, wherever you did, and as wherever you are, and make sure you pass through and let's support Afua Asantewaa. So this is the little update. I'll be bringing you more gist from time to time. But for now, it's your girl Hawa Karim, and this has been Nsem Ghana and Semni Dijai. Biguswana meet TV. Intimidibi ebe hook him very soon. For now, it's bye bye.